So most people solve this question like 9 minus 4 is equal to 5 and 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So 5 times 4 is equal to 20, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PMDAS rule. PMDAS, PMDAS. According to PMDAS, first priority is synthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. In this question, here we have one subtraction, here multiplication, and here is one parenthesis, right? So all have equal, so according to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, then we have to solve multiplication, and then third priority is subtraction, right? So now let's solve this parenthesis first. So 9 minus 4 times 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, right? Now second priority is multiplication. So 9 minus 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. Now 9 minus 16 is equal to minus 7, right? So the correct answer is minus 7. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe with the Education YouTube channel. And also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.